road, Mr. Do it, each up on one corner, and at this little side where that are peeps up. That time I know the man, I condemn me, say me go fucking out. I that do it, I that me turn down too. So, listen, you know, kind of like people blood clot busy than a carrot run. So when him coming out the car, him say, Frenchie for driving at the front. Me not driving at the front with you, you know. Frenchie for driving at the front. Somebody said, do we know? You have to drive in the front with me. I'm not driving in the front with Frenchie and you're here. Him coming at the front. We'll leave because we'll come back to England. This is in April. Just with you. We'll come back to England because the party was a Saturday night. I saw, yeah, we'll come back, man, same way, we'll come back to England the Sunday and Moby, because that's at my watch, so when they from there, so I Moby, I may mix it up. No, Queenie. Yes, you're right, Queenie, and I mix it up. Anyway, so me and my friend in the car and Peter, before we in the car. But because of the incident last night, I said to Peter and Frenchie, excuse me out of the car, please, let me have a word. We do it. We're up on the back road of Mobile. Remember, just I respect, you know. I say, excuse me, I say something to do with it. Two of them exit the car and do it in the car. And by the time I talk to do it pull the car door and come out. So I said, do it. I be a bumper pussy blood clot excitement, I create on a Mobile. Me I carry talk to you, I run out of the car. Stand up and be a man. What the fuck you married to me for? You want disgrace on a Mobile? Do we got the back of the car? Remember me sitting in the car and I said, I see all of that, I said to him and him still walk out of the